So the add cart animation just allows you to customize this add to cart button in the middle, and you can have a few different options as to how it animates. So to get this one set up, head into the theme settings and open the Debutify add-ons. Make sure to activate the add cart animation. So with the add cart animation, we have a few different animation types: bounce, flash, pulse, shake X, shake Y, ta-da, and heartbeat. Feel free to play around with those and find one that suits your store. You can also change the interval time to make it quicker or longer, and this just brings attention to the add to cart button itself. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.